How to install a lawn sprinkler pump. Homes that rely on wells for water supply will need a separate well and pump for the lawn sprinkler system. If a separate water pump cannot be used, a pond is the only other option. This irrigation system is needed so that it does not affect the water pressure inside the house by draining water from the main well. The pump start relay box is needed to control the pump, giving you the option to turn the pump on and off at will. Things you will need: pump start relay box, wire strippers, screwdriver, hammer, wire nuts. Find a location to mount the pump start relay box after turning the power off at the breaker box. Mount the pump start relay box out of direct sunlight, at least 12 feet away from the sprinkler controller. Attach the mounting clips to the back of the pump start relay box with the provided screws. Remove the cover of the pump start relay box. Unscrew each screw from each corner of the relay box. Remove the knockout plugs with a screwdriver and hammer. Attach the pump start relay box to the wall with the provided mounting screws. Strip the power, pump and timer wires with wire strippers. Leave 3/8 inch of exposed bare wire. Run the wires into the pump start relay box. Connect the L1 pump wire to the L1 output wire. Connect the L1 power wire to the L1 input wire. Connect the L2 pump wire to the L2 output wire. Connect the L2 power wire to the L2 input wire. Connect the remaining wire from the pump to the remaining wire from the relay box. Use wire nuts to make each connection. Connect the black wire to the 24-volt wire outside the box. Connect the white wire to the 24-volt wire inside the box. Check the manual that came with the pump start relay box to make sure all wires are attached correctly. Reattach the cover to the box. Tighten the screws snugly but not too tight, to avoid breaking them. Connect one controller wire to the pump terminal and the other wire to the common terminal. Test the sprinkler system. Turn the power back on before turning on the water to see if it works properly.